Hello student, today in class 5 math in chapter 6 decimal I will start division of whole number by a decimal number. Let us start. First question. 56 divided by 0.8. How we divide 56 divided by 0.8? 56 divided by, we convert this decimal number into fraction. We convert this decimal number into fraction. How we convert this decimal number into fraction, student? Write the number without decimal in numerator part. Write 1 in denominator. How many decimal places in this decimal number, student? 1 decimal place. So what we do? We add 1 0 in denominator. Now this decimal number converted to fraction. Next step, 56. Student, we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. As we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol, what we do? We write the multiplicative inverse of this divisor. 10 by 8. Now it is very easy. You know the table of 8. 8, 7, 56. 7 multiplied 10, 70. So this is answer. Question number 2. 231 divided by 0.21. 231 divided by 0.21. Student, what we do? We convert the decimal number into fraction. How we convert the decimal number into fraction, student? We write the number without decimal in numerator part. 21. Write 1 in denominator. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places in decimal number. So what we do? We add 2 zeros in denominator. Now student, next step, we change the division sign into multiplication sign. We change the division sign into multiplication sign. As we change this division sign into multiplication sign, what we do? We write the multiplicative inverse of this divisor. 100 by 21. Now student, we can cut this 231 by 21. How? You know the divisibility rule. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So this 6 is divisible by 3 and this is divisible by 3. Let's see. 3 7 21. 3 7 21. 3 minus 1 2. 3 7 21. Now student, 7 1 7 7 1 7. 11 multiply 100, student. 1100. This is answer. So in this way we can divide whole number by a decimal. Next question. Question third. 1331 divided by 0.11. 1331. Student, what we do? Same process. We convert the decimal number into fraction. We convert the decimal number into fraction. How we convert the decimal number into fraction, student? We write the number without decimal in numerator part. We write the number without decimal in numerator part. We write 1 in denominator. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places, student. So what we do? We add 2 zeros in denominator. Next step. Now we change the division sign into multiplication sign. As we change this division sign into multiplication sign, what we do? We write the multiplicative inverse of this divisor. 100 by 11. Now student, we can cut this 1331 by 11 easily. 1331, 11 1 11, 3 minus 1 2, 11 2 22, 3 minus 2 1, 11 1 11, 0. So 1 1 2 1, 1 2 1 multiply 100. This is our answer. Next question, student. Next question. Divided by 2.4. 48 into 48 divided, student, we convert the decimal number into fraction. How we convert the decimal number into fraction, student? We write the number without decimal in numerator part. So write 24 by, write 1 in denominator, student. How many decimal place? 1 decimal place. So we add 1 0 here. Now next step, 48. We change the division sign into multiplication sign. As we change this division sign into multiplication sign, student, what we do? We write the multiplicative inverse of this divisor. 10 by 24. This is multiplicative inverse of this divisor. Now student, we can divide it. 6 4 24, 6 8 48. 6 4 24, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 8 48. Now 4 to 8, student. 2 multiplied 10, 20. This is our answer. In this way we divide whole number by a decimal. Fifth question, student. 81 divided by 40.5. 40.5. What we do? We convert the decimal into fraction. We convert this decimal into fraction. How we convert? We write the number without decimal in numerator part. 405. How many decimal place? 1 decimal place. Write 1 in denominator and add 1 0 here. Next step, 81. We change the division sign into multiplication sign. As we change the division sign into multiplication sign, students, so what we do? 10. We write a multiplicative inverse of this divisor. 10 by 405. Now student, we can cut this 81 and 405 by 9. See here, 9 9 81, 9 4 36, 9 4 36, 10 minus 6 4 5, 9 5 45, 9 5 45 student. So 5 to 10. So this 2 is our answer. This 2 is our answer. What I have done? I have deducted this 81 and 405 by 9. 9 9 81, 9 4 36, 10 minus 6 4, remainder, and we write out 5 45. So 9 5 45. So now 9 5 45. 5 divided by 10 divided by 5, we get 2. Six. 48 divided 1.92. So what we do, students? 48 divided. We convert the decimal number into fraction. How we convert the decimal number into fraction? We write the number without decimal. 192. By write 1 in denominator. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. We add 2 0 in denominator. Now, next step, 48. We change the division sign into multiplication sign. As we change the division sign into multiplication sign, what we do? We write the multiplicating inverse of this divisor. 100 by 192. Now student, we can divide this 48 192. How? From table of 12. 12 4 48, 12 1 12, 9 minus 2 7 72, 12 6 72, 12 6 72, 4 4 16, 4 4 16. Now we divide this 100 by 4. 4 to 8, 10 minus 8 2. See here, 10 minus 8 2. We write this 0 here. 4 5 20. So what we get? We get 25. Student, this is answer. So division of whole number by decimal in chapter 6 decimal completed. Thank you.